Hello subscriber, I have idea how to record. On back side we have this cable, simple PC cable, okay. On soldering iron pan you have this connector, okay. Let's use. Okay, 3 pins, but I must stabilize it. Okay, 3 pins, okay, but is 3, 2, 1, okay. Okay, let's view on this soldering gun, or I don't know. Okay, this soldering gun, it's hard to view how many pins. Okay, it's I don't know, it's 8 pins, okay. Eight pins for heat gun, or 3 pins for soldering pan. Probably working on 20 volts, I don't know, I don't test yet. Okay, that's it. But if you like, I'd like to take some voltage test. Okay, let's test. This is on. Okay, I don't know what pins used. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, it's not possible to test like this because we have an error. Okay, I don't know what is voltage on this device. When we measured, we don't have any signal, but I don't know, maybe first pin and third is I don't know. Okay, see ya, thank you for watching.